If you've not tried peppered turkey before, or you've not heard about it before, this is the best time to make it for your family. It tastes delicious, yummy, tantalizing, name it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious peppered turkey. To start, I have turkey wings that I've washed with lime off camera, then cut into large sizes. But you can leave your turkey the way it is, like the whole turkey. But I prefer to cut it like this so that it will be easy to bite. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of mixed herb, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I also add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, then add a tablespoon of chopped Scotch bonnet just to add that heat. Then I add some bay leaf, add some onion, chopped onion. This is 2 medium chopped onion. Add salt. After that, I mix together until it's well combined. After mixing until it's well combined, I did not add any water. All I did was cover the pot with the lid, then transfer to a medium-high heat for at least 20 to 25 minutes. While the turkey wings is cooking, it's going to absorb all the seasoning and also produce its own water, which is the stock. 25 minutes later, it's time to check on the turkey wings. Look at that, yummy. So it's cooked and it's soft. As you can see, the turkey wings has produced its own water. So you don't want to cook this on a high heat. I cooked in a medium high heat. Next, I transfer to a baking tray because I'm not frying, I'm baking. After that, I transfer to a preheated oven, 200 degrees Celsius for at least 30 to 35 minutes until it turns golden brown, depending on your oven. So these are all the peppers that I'm going to use to make the peppered sauce, like the sauce. So I have the red, the yellow, the green, fresh garlic, ginger, fresh thyme, leek, onion, and Scotch bonnet. But you can reduce the quantity of your Scotch bonnet. Then I have bell peppers that I cut, yellow, green, red. Then I'm going to use 2 fresh tomatoes because I want the sauce. But you can leave this out completely. Next, I transfer all the peppers, the tomato, onion into the food processor. Then I'm going to blend, but not blend smooth. I just wanted to chop it into small pieces. After blending, this is the consistency that I blend it to. So this is the consistency that you should blend yours as well, because if you blend it smooth, you're not going to like the peppered turkey. So next step is to fry. I have my pan in a medium high. To that, I'm adding vegetable oil enough to cover the surface of the fry pan, but not too much. Then add all the pepper. As soon as you add the pepper to the oil, the aroma, it smells so nice. So what I'm making now is the peppered sauce, the sauce. I mix to combine. After that, I add seasoning. I start with 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. 2 tablespoons of crispy fried onion. You add a lot of flavor to this. Then add salt. After that, I mix together until it's well combined. And I'm going to fry this for at least 15 minutes, stirring it frequently. You don't want to walk away from it. So this is where you get the pepper turkey, right or wrong. If you don't fry your pepper very well, you're not going to get that unique taste. So you have to make sure you get the sauce right, the peppered sauce right. And by this time, your turkey should be in the oven baking. So after frying for 15 minutes, this is the result. You can see the difference from when I started and what it looks like now. Once you've achieved this consistency, the next step is to add the turkey, the baked turkey. But I'm going to ask you, if you've not subscribed and you've not give this video a thumbs up, please do so. I have a lot of video coming up. I have so many videos that I don't want you to miss out. Subscribing is going to make you get the video when I upload it. Please share this video as well. Thank you as you do so. After baking the turkey wings for 35 minutes, this is what it looks like. Golden brown, beautiful, yummy. So if you're watching your weight, please try this recipe, bake your turkey. Next, add the turkey wings, the baked turkey wings, to the fried pepper sauce. Next, I add the chopped pepper, the mixed pepper, red, yellow, green. Did you see that color? This is so colorful, beautiful. Next, mix together until it's well combined. The aroma, the taste, everything is in point. Peppered turkey. I guarantee you, if you make this for your family, and if there's one thing you've noticed here, there's no too much oil, so I really control the oil. That's why I baked it. But if you don't have oven, you can also use air fryer to, you know, fry your turkey instead of frying it, most especially if you're watching your weight. Trust me, this is how I make my peppered turkey now. Before, I used to fry my turkey. I still fry my turkey for making for party, but when I'm making at home, I try to reduce the oil. So this is how to make peppered turkey. With this peppered turkey, you can have it on its own. You can pair it with rice, plantain, fried plantain. You can pair it with jollof rice, boiled potato. It is so versatile, trust me, and it tastes delicious that I want you to try it. And if you do, please tag me on Instagram, YouTube, and if you've not subscribed, please do so. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.